Hi, and welcome to DIY Musician Secrets, bonus number 1. How to register with the MLC. And if you made it all the way through, you've reached the 30-day challenge, you made it. There's one more that we're gonna give you as a bonus, but you don't even have to do that to be successful as an indie musician. And I just want to congratulate you as the maker of this program for making it all the way through. You really made a great decision, and if you put these things into practice, it's really going to make you successful, make you a lot more money, get you a lot more fans, and everything that you want as a musician. Registering with the MLC. So the MLC, or Mechanical Licensing Collective, is very new. It was founded by Congress through the Music Modernization Act of 2018 and began administering mechanical licensing contracts in 2021. The MLC then collects royalties from those licenses and distributes them to songwriters, composers, lyricists, and music publishers. The thing you need to know before getting started is that the MLC is responsible for collecting royalties for song makers whose music gets used digitally, like in the intro section of a podcast or web series. Previously, the US did not have an official organization to track online plays. Now we do. It was only the Library of Congress tracking mechanical licenses for radio stations, clubs, bars, festivals, and the like. Now you can be protected by the US government online and in real life. So how do you get registered? Let's go through the steps. Step 1, get yourself in front of a computer with internet service. I do not advise using a phone to register for a government website. It's likely not optimized for mobile. Step 2, navigate to the MLC.com. You can see I'm already on the website. Read the FAQs and any other information you think looks interesting. After you've looked around, from the home page, click membership at the top. It's in the main menu at the top of the page. Scroll down and click the appropriate category. Self-administered songwriter for individuals, music publishers, CMOs, and administrators for labels and collectors. In both cases, step 5 is to scroll down and click connect to collect. You're going to have to click connect to collect twice. Step 6, fill out the personal information the MLC application asks you for. Step 7, the MLC will then stop to verify your information and send you a confirmation email to sign up for the portal. Open the email and click the link to verify your account and set the password. Choose your password and set up your profile, including a member profile to the MLC records for yourself or your label. I'm going to go ahead and sign in because I already registered beforehand. Alright, and so you can create a member. I already am a member, so my account is here. I haven't put a picture in yet, but my information is here. I'm verified, so I'm able to now register songs and tracks with the MLC. I register one with the Library of Congress and BMI and Sound Exchange, which you've already gone through. Now with the MLC, you can cover yourself with people with the governmental oversight, looking at people that do, and I have my friend Jelani on here as well because he's going to be part of a label for certain media. But you can keep people accountable that are using your music in podcasts or web series or whatever online. So that's it. That's Certain Media DIY Musician Secret number 30, how to register with the MLC or Mechanical Licensing Collective. You're done. There's one more if you're interested in podcasting. That's Certain Media DIY Musician Secret number 31, Introduction to Podcasting. If you're interested in that, go ahead and click through and get the bonus. But if you're not, you're done. I would maybe go ahead and repeat some of these videos. And until the next time, it's all about the level up.